Reconciling a refund in Xero involves a few key steps to ensure your books are accurate. The process generally involves two parts: recording the refund within Xero and then matching it to the corresponding bank statement line. 1. Recording the refund in Xero. For a customer or supplier refund on a credit note, overpayment or prepayment, navigate to the credit transaction, e.g. the credit note or overpayment, that you are refunding. In the cash refund section, enter the details of the refund, including the date, the bank account the money was paid from or received into, and a reference. Click Add Refund. This action creates a refund transaction that will be used to reconcile against your bank statement. 2. Reconciling the refund transaction. Once the refund has been processed by your bank, the transaction will appear on your bank statement feed in Xero. Go to your bank accounts and find the relevant bank account. Click the Reconcile button. Next to the bank statement line for the refund, Xero should automatically suggest a match to the refund transaction you recorded in the previous step. If Xero doesn't automatically match it, click Find and Match and search for the refund transaction. Once you've found and selected the correct transaction, click Reconcile to complete the process. Important considerations. User roles. You may need a specific user role, like Standard or Advisor, to record and reconcile refunds. Original purchase. Sometimes you can reconcile a refund as a reverse of the original purchase. When reconciling the refund, you would use the same who, supplier, what, account category, and VAT rate as the original purchase. If you encounter any issues, it's a good idea to consult the Xero Central support articles or contact Xero support directly for assistance.